Good morning. I am a little late to the markets today. And let's see what's going on. So we've got this area right here, 788. I'd be looking for support there today. We actually missed, look at this, at open. We missed this support. I mean, not that I know, I probably wouldn't have had a limit buy down here just waiting, but if I had seen it, probably would have gotten in here with a real tight stop, hoping to catch the ride back up. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. And not much going on right now. It looks like 930 FVG is holding. There's just not really anything. If this holds down here, and our magic voodoo line, woohoo, what's going on? Magnets, and maybe this guy keeps coming up. Maybe we just do a little bit of this, and I don't know. Just gonna watch. I do like a dip here. Got this guy right here. That could be plan B. Whoa. Degen alert. And maybe slightly above the midpoint of that fair value gap. Base hits, right? Base hits. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm kind of learning as I go. how to do these things and how to schedule everything. If we take some trades today, I'll end up doing timestamps for those trades, because unless you're watching an ICT video, you're not watching YouTube for 2 hours. Well, that's weird. Oh, we got filled. 125. Oh, nice. I'll take it. Seems to be holding. After this candle closes, I'll put in a... Actually, let's do both. Huh? Just buy one then. Nice. What we might see here is the 930 FEG now becomes resistance. And really right now, I'm probably not going to do anything until we close back above the 930 FEG. What I do like right here is this guy. Almost very closely lines up here for short signal, and that would kind of, everything's just real tight, squished. We are halfway into this 1 minute candle, and it looks like we're going to wipe out this resistance. Okay. He's gone. 125 and a 55, so normally I'd be done. That's plenty. But we will keep trading. See what we can get. If, like me, you're someone who has challenges stopping trading, or you get your base hit, but then later you open the charts back up and trade again and lose your gains. What has really been working well for me and some other trading buddies of mine is the lockout for, I don't know if Apex has it, but Top Step has a lockout feature. Well, it's Top Step X now. And it's really been helpful. I think we just got filled on that one. 60, yeah. So there's 3 for the day. What is that? Almost 240, 250. And that would be, I mean, except for some like 1 minute legs of displacement that might happen later today, like those were really my only 2 untouched targets this 1 hour. Which we haven't even made it to yet, but it could still be tradable. But and this one down here, let's see what happens. And there we would have, let's see what we got here. Ten handles already, yeah. So that would have been another base hit. This is pretty much my strategy. I think ICT says they can't lie to you on the 15-minute and above time frames. What I really started liking are the 1 hour legs. So like, can we make that bigger? What's this guy? Nope. Anyways, like, you can see this leg right here. Like, that's pretty significant. For 1 hour, no disruption. No bullish candle in that run. So the way I treat it is when price eventually comes back to this area, it's more likely to meet some resistance or support. And I just mark these out. because I'm just looking for base hits. I'm not looking for 80 handles or 100 handles. The idea is I make enough of these videos and share them online, and then maybe switch from trading paper back to an eval and try to get a funded account. But it's tough. I have spent a lot of money on evals, and it's to the point where I just either need to start making money or start making these videos, because I enjoy doing it. I enjoy trading and marking charts, seeing progress. But it hasn't put any money in my pocket. Let's see. This is a nice confluence. Could be worth a try. And then plan B is down here at 725. It's an hourly candle. We're about 15 minutes into the current hourly candle. You know, it might be nice if we don't run out of time. Over here on the hourly, let's get rid of this guy. We may end up with an IFVG. I think we missed it. Got it. What's her fill? Another 65. 4 for 4. If we want to be really greedy, we could try for 724.25. But we do have this little guy right here. That doji. What if we make him look a little different? This isn't a very good example, but when I see these long runs, like this bullish long run with a single bearish candle or down closed, that one looks too much like a doji, but I call them pit stops. So it's like price was going, made a pit stop, like refueled, whatever, and then continued on. Quite often, when price returns to this pit stop candle, you'll see some brief support. See, look at that. Are we gonna get it? Tag, we'd be in it. Close. So if we got in that one, we would have taken 8 points of heat, but we would have got our fill. Anyways, those pit stops are just something I've kind of been noticing lately and adding them to the list of things to look out for. And it's almost always on the 1 minute, not the 1 hour. But seeing it on the 1 hour is what made me think of it, so I thought I'd mention it. This could become resistance now, similar to what happened up here. Could really actually This guy looks like a nice block. Maybe if the midpoint is respected here, we could go short again. Let's catch it on the way out. Oh, I missed it. Ooh. What'd we get? There we go. You know what? I say done. That's pretty good, right? So we ended at 124.70. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. And we started the day at 124.385. $375. Not bad. 4 hours worth of work. All right. Well, see you tomorrow. Have a great day.